What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forex Scott. I know it's been a while. I do apologize. I've been kind of in the background working on a few things with the development team when it comes to the perfect entry trading system. We had a few hiccups down the road, but we're over that now. We're in the process of upgrading the system, whether it is the tools, the signals, or our EAs. Shout out to the EA, shout out to the Dominator, shout out to the Golden Key. We recently released our trade manager. For those that are going to be utilizing and continuing utilizing our tools and signals, the trade manager will help you tremendously. But in this video, I'm not going to hold you too long. This video, I'm going to get back to the basics. We're going to get back to showing the results, showing you, for the people that are already involved and the people that are looking to get involved, of the kind of results that you can potentially get utilizing not only just the signals, but also utilizing the tools, the amazing tools that we have on TradingView, right? We do have our session key tool and we do have our golden key tool that's sending out the signals. So briefly in this video, today is Monday, the 21st, but yesterday, the market just opened, and we're going to go over all of the results, the trade results from Sunday up until to 12 midnight, right? So we starting off with the 20th with GBP USD. So we're going to start with GBP USD. And we're going to do this live so you guys can see that these results based off of our signals are accurate, right? So notice we had a sell on GBP USD based off of the golden key, right? So this is our golden key zone here. Notice we actually caught a sell from yesterday's golden key zone. Wait, let's make sure we're in the right spot, right? The 20th. Okay, the 20th. Yeah. So, yes, we caught a sell from the golden key zone here, right? Actually, it was here. Then we caught a sell from the session key zone. Then we caught another sell. This is 3 sales. Look how far it went, right? And we're going to measure it out from the initial sell that was called. This is over 100 pips. That's a 100 pip trade. And you caught 3 of them. This one may have been about 75, maybe 80 pips, right? But this is about 250 plus easy, 250 plus pips on GBP USD. But we're going to just go ahead, being that this is just one signal. We may have a few more, but this one signal was 100 plus pips with the win. Golden key. GKs for golden key, right? So if you see these in this channel, if the GK is golden key, SK is session key. We have a few in 2023. We're going to be releasing our PMBO tool, our momentum tool, and a few other tools that we have in the perfect entry trading system. Shout out to the PET system. Okay, let's keep it going. GBP was the first one. Here goes the other GBP. This is this one. GBP USD. It's another 100 pips, right? Because this is the session key tool here. It's our session key tool. This shaded area, so you caught the sell from the session key tool. Again, another 100 pips. That was an easy win for the golden key. I'm sorry, session key. Next, we're going to keep going. The next one is AUD NZD from the golden key. So we're going to find AUD NZD. AUD NZD, and we caught the sell from AUD NZD here. Notice the stop loss is up here. This is the sell, came down. So we're gonna measure this out. The sell gave us about 20 pips. 20 pips. 20 pips. AUD NZD 20. And that was from the golden key. All right. You guys give me 1 second. Got my daughter at the door. All right. So that was AUD NZD. Notice the session key was huge for this trade. But that's okay. So the AUD NZD golden keys trade was this trade, gave us about 20 pips. So far, so good. We're doing pretty good so far. And we're going to do this until 12 midnight. 12 midnight is really Monday morning. So we're going to go. It's usually not that many trades on a Sunday, but we're going to keep it going until 12 midnight. Right now, we're still at 10 p.m. So we got Euro NZD, which was a buy, right? So we're going to go to Euro NZD. Where's Euro NZD at? Euro NZD was a buy, and it looks like it might have hit the stop loss. Entry, this is the 5 p.m. BO, which was this buy here, and then it hit the stop loss. Hit our stop loss, right? So that's a stop loss is about 40 pips, I would say. Buy from here. Entry, stop loss. Oh, no, this stop loss down here, 40 pips, right? Usually is about 40 pips. So that's negative 40. We're not going to win every single trade, right? But we're still up so far. What was the loss for the session key? Euro NZD. Let's keep it going. Sell JP, GBP, JPY. That sell was a pretty good sell. This was from the golden key. Sell was pretty good. We caught about 30 pips on this trade. 60 pips. Right? GBP, JPY. We'll say 50 plus. 50 plus pips. That was a win. Excuse me. On the golden key. Let's keep it going. Still 10 o'clock now. USD CAD. USD CAD. USD CAD had to be a buy. It was. And it was from the golden key. So let's measure this out. The buy gave us roughly 100 pips. We'll say 90 plus. 90 plus pips on USD CAD. 90 plus. That was a win for the golden key. Notice, now I want you guys to notice that we was only sending out the signals for the golden key. We're not sending out both of them. Starting in the new year of 2023, you're going to get the session key and the golden key. Notice it's double confirmations. These are double confirmations to load up the trade. Double confirmations, not just one, excuse me, but both of them giving you a buy signal. Notice this box gives you a buy. Excuse me. This box gives you a buy as well. That is a double confirmation for a buy on USD CAD. Notice we just sent out one of them, right? Let's keep on going. The next trade is gold. XAU USD. Gold. Golden key for gold. This is the originator for gold. And I want you guys to see this. For the ones that have access to the tool, right? And if you're brand new utilizing the tool and the signals, notice the sell. Notice it's stuck in the zone. Notice the sell. It was a great sell, right? Great sell out of the zone. Gave us 118 pips. We're going to say 100 plus. 110 plus pips. That was a nice win for the golden key. Now, for the ones that have been utilizing this zone, notice this zone stays the same, right? Notice the zone stays the same, right? Notice you caught your 100 pips. Look where it came back to. It came back to the zone. These are re-entries. These are re-entries. For the ones that are going to be utilizing the golden key tool, you can utilize this as re-entries. Now, if you have the golden key EA, it is going to pick up these re-entries. Hold on, give me 1 second. I got somebody knocking on my door. Give me 1 second. Oh, somebody opening it. All right. So notice these entries. Notice you caught the sale, the initial sale. The initial sale gave you an easy 80 pips. An easy 80 pips. Notice the easy 80 pips. It came back to the re-entry and gave you out of the zone 130 pips. So if you missed the first entry, this is for the people that have access to the tool. This is why I love the tool so much. If you missed the first entry, now the signal is not going to be sent to the signals group. These are for the manual traders out there that want to catch re-entries or optimal entries. If you notice that the market has already sold out of the zone, right? We're in seller's territory. It's not telling us to buy nowhere on the chart. You don't see buys nowhere on the chart. So you shouldn't be looking for buying opportunities, right? You're only looking for selling opportunities. Where do you want to sell? From the zone. So if it's already sold and you already caught the first trade and it's pulling back and it does one of these numbers into the zone, oh, you can load that bad boy up. Look, it hasn't come above the zone at all through the day. This is a brand new day, brand new zone. The zone don't change, right? Here's another one. This was a little bit tricky. Notice here, buy out the zone, came back to the zone, bought out the zone again, came back. Look at all these wicks to the bottom of the zone, bought out the zone again. Where do you want to buy? The bottom of the zone or the top of the zone. Where do you want to buy? Right now, notice it's now selling. It's now closed below the zone. Where do you want to sell? Easy sale. Those are easy sales. Like if you want to sell down here, your stop loss is 40 pips. If you sell up here, your stop loss is 5 pips. If you're selling and you notice you're selling, you try to sell way down here, your stop loss is above the zone. Why try to sell way down here when you can sell from up here? Right? But I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. That's gold. I love the golden key. Shout out to the pet system. Let's see. What do we have next? Euro AUD. Notice we're still in 10 o'clock. This is like 4 or 5 trades at 10 p.m. We got 5 signals. Euro AUD. See what we get on Euro AUD. What type of love can we get for Euro AUD? This is from the 5 p.m. Ooh, this is nasty. Okay. This one is a little nasty. We caught a sell at 10. We caught this sell right here. Right here, didn't give us much. Right? The sale didn't give us much. It might have gave us 20 pips. It gave us 20 pips. So we can count that as a win, right? It's a give or take, depending on where you got in at the market, but that's a legit 20 pips. So we're gonna put Euro down for 20 pips, even though after that it pulled up and went to the upside, right? But you could have squeezed 20 pips out of there. You could have squeezed 20 pips out of there, right? Notice the sale from the zone. 5 p.m. Notice the sell from this zone right here is where I counted at. From here to here is 20 pips. We're not exaggerating none of these numbers, right? 20 pips. That's 20 pips for your AUD. Next one, AUD JPY. Still at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. AUD JPY. Let's see what we get. This was for a sale. Golden key. AUD JPY. The sell here wasn't much. This zone was probably put here a couple months ago, and look where it came back to. But it's another story. Okay, sale from here. It's another 20 pips. AUD JPY. Short-lived, but you still could have squeezed 20 pips out of it. It's short-lived. Let's go the key. Now, 1 second. Let's take off this session key real quick. Let's take off the session key. Right? Notice, what do we say? Where do you want to buy? Look at this buy. A beautiful buy. Look at that buy, right? Beautiful buy. You missed it. You get all the way up here in fear of missing out. People trying to catch the market. They buying all the way up here. Do you want to buy up there? Of course not. Why do you want to buy at the high when you can buy at the low? Now, if I took off the session key, for the novice traders out there, for the traders that don't understand totally technical analysis or order block methods or smart money concepts, things of that nature, there's a lot of people that saw this and they started selling. They're selling. Why are you selling here when it is the top of your zone? Notice on the session key is the bottom of the zone, right? Notice on the golden key, it's the top of the zone. The combination of the session key and the golden key is amazing once you understand how these zones cooperate with each other. Notice this bounce from the top of the zone if you was using the golden key. Even if you wasn't using the golden key, if you was using the session key, notice is the bounce from the bottom of the zone. It's a double confirmation. We're buying. We were selling. The sale was short-lived. We're no longer selling anymore. We bought out of the zone. We bought out of both the session key and the golden key zone. We're buying out of the zone. We're buying. Then it pulled back to the bottom and the top. Bottom of the session key zone, top of the golden key zone. You can load up this trade for the buy. Look, shot straight back into profit. Still going to the profit as we speak, right? Not going to hold y'all too much longer. That was ADJPY. We're now at 11 o'clock. Euro NZD. We caught in one trade for Euro NZD. We caught a loss. Let's see if we can get it back. See if we can get it back. Euro NZD was a sell. Let's see if we can get this back, baby. What was it? The golden key sale. That is here. Nice sale. Notice again. Again. We didn't catch the sale. We caught the sale initially here, right? But notice if we're selling from the golden, this is why both of them working in congruency with each other. Notice the sales coming from the golden key zone, right? Look where it came back to. Look where it came back to, right? Broke out the zone, hit take profit 1, 25 pips. Look where it came back to. Now, if I put the session key zone, look where it's coming to. That wick is at the top of the session key zone. Where do you want to sell? The top or the bottom. And why? I mean, you can catch the break of the zone, or the optimal entry with little to no stop loss is always going to be the top of the zone. That was an easy sell, but we wasn't working on just the session key. We were utilizing the signal from the golden key, right? Easy sell. We caught our 40 pips back, basically. We just caught our 40 pips back. There's 50 right there. So we're back into profit. As of right now, that's the only loss, and we just got it right back, right? Shout out to the session key and the golden key too, baby. Shout out to the perfect entry trading system. It's another win for the golden key. Euro NZD. We're going to turn on these signals for both of them. Starting, I might just start it next week, right? Just for the holidays. Let's just pump it up for the last month of the year for both of the tools. Because right now, all you've seen is mostly golden key signals coming in, right? Let's keep it going though. Golden key, GBP NZD. Usually the same thing. Whoa, GBP NZD was a sell. Stop loss. Hit a stop loss. Now, if you caught the sell from the entry here, yeah, that's not. We don't count 5, 10 pips here. It got to be at least 20 pips for it to be a win. That's not 20 pips. We're going to count that as a loss. It's okay. We take these losses with a smile because we know that we're not going to lose for the day. That's negative 40 pips. It's negative 40. It's fine. That is okay. We're going to take some losses here and there. Notice that was it. That's it. That's all we got right now. Look how important the zone is, though. You see all of this crazy action right here in the zone, and then it breaks out the zone and took off. Currently, right now, took off. Right? So let's tally this up real quick. I'm going to tally this up, then I'm going to show you a sneak peek of the new strategy that we have inside of our golden key 3.0. So stay tuned for that. I should have said that at the beginning of the video. But stay tuned for that, right? So real quick, what we got? We got Sunday's results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades. 11 trades. 11 wins. 0 losses, of course. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm lying. I'm flying. That's 9 wins. 9 wins. 2 losses. Right? Win rate. What's the win rate on that? Let's see. Let's go to real quick. Hold on, you guys. Y'all go ahead and tally up them pip counts though while I do this. Tally up the pip count. Zip heat count. That's 82%. 82%. Total pips. Total pips. Let's count them down. Let's 100 plus 100. That's 220. That's 180. 230. 320. 430. 450. 520, 480 pips on a Sunday. 480 plus pips on a Sunday. 480 plus pips. Sunday's results. Let's go ahead and put this in the group. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the group. That's a Sunday. We haven't even started counting Monday's results. Tomorrow we'll have Monday's results, right? But that's on a Sunday. Notice GBP USD twice, Euro NZD. We caught one loss on Euro NZD. We got it back, right? But notice if you can catch 11 trades on a Sunday and over 480 pips on a Sunday, and it's not a full day, it's from 5 p.m. to 12 p.m., that is an amazing day. It's an amazing day, right? Amazing day. Now, I'm going to pull up a chart, right? I want you guys to see something. This is basically an EA that is based off of a zone. Well, it's not even a zone. It's just how the market moves, right? So, matter of fact, I'm going to just go ahead and pull up the chart so you can see it. See where we at right now. I just started this little account not too long ago, about a few hours ago. Now, this is the Golden Key 3.0. This is one of the strategies. We still have the regular strategy in the Golden Key based off of what you see here on the Golden Key. These Golden Key signals that you've been seeing, we have the EA specifically on MT4. We have the EA for the Golden Key. Shout out to the Golden Key and the developers. We've been working tirelessly trying to get this new strategy in, right? But new strategy. We have a new strategy. We also shout out to the Dominator as well. The Dominator is very good in ranging markets. The Golden Key is going to be very good for trending markets. So the Golden Key, original Golden Key strategy, you'll see the zone, just like you saw the zone here. You see the zone. When it breaks the zone, it gives you the buy, right? Now, we also have another strategy where it follows each candle. Give you an example. Say, for instance, this is our zone, right? Whenever the zone is broken, it automatically takes a trade. If the zone is not broken, the zone goes to the very next candle. So say, for instance, this is our zone, right? I'm going to make this brief so you guys can see this. Where is the tool? Let me get this in here real quick. Where is it at? All right, say, for instance, this is our zone, right? This zone, this little candle right here is our zone. It doesn't break and close from the zone, so then now the zone moves to this candle. Now the zone is a little bit smaller, right? Zone is broken, trade takes place, you catch your pips, and you can do partial profits. Partial profits 1, 2, 3. You can follow the stop loss and every trailing stop and everything like that. That's a winning trade. Now, once you're a winning trade, say for instance, somewhere in this area, this box right here, it takes out your trade. It takes out your trade right here. This is your box. This is your new box. You're waiting for a break and close of this box, right? Right here, you get a break and close, and it gives you 20 pips automatically in the first. I mean, this is a 5-minute chart, right? So within 5 minutes, it gives you your 20 pips. Now, this is your new zone. I mean, the zone is moving. This is a 5-minute chart. Notice we have trades that have been coming in, right? Quarter sell hit the stop loss, right? Quarter buy, take profit, came back down, took the rest of the trades out. Quarter another buy, take profit, came back down, took the rest of the trades out here. Quarter sell, came back up, took the rest of the trades out here. You quarter buy is currently running in profit, right? This is based off of the trade based off the zone. So if this isn't broken, notice this candle did not break it. So now the zone moves here. Now your zone is actually smaller. Got the break of the zone, went to profit. Takes you out, right? Went to profit, takes you out. So now, say for instance, your zone is here. It wasn't broken. This is why I love the EA. This zone was not broken. So guess what the EA does? It goes to the, because if this zone is not broken, if it doesn't break the high or the low, 9 times out of 10, the zone is going to end up being smaller. Now your zone is smaller, right? Wasn't broken, even though the wick did break it. It closed back in the zone. Zone is now here. Zone broke, closed, take profit. All right. So that's a sneak peek of the golden key. We'll pull up the expert advisor so you can see the sneak peek for it. It looks a little bit different than the original, but you have the original golden key where you can use the every candle strategy, what I just showed you, or you can utilize the one candle strategy based off of any time frame. The golden key is based off of a specific time frame, but you can utilize the EA to base it off of any time frame. So if you want to use the opening bell for the New York session, if you want to use the original golden key strategy for that session, the Asian session, or if you want to utilize it for London session, you can change the candle time for that hour. And you have your fixed lot, right? You got your add your pip to your stop loss. You can take profit based off of pips or the R to R ratio. Take profit. You got your maximum drawdown protection, your profit protection, then you got your partial profits and your stop loss parameters. It's for the golden key. Hopefully, the testing will be finished. Our second phase of testing will be finished today or tomorrow. We have to add it to the licensing generator. Once that is added, we're going to give access to the available members or the active members inside of the Perfect Entry Trading System and inside of our Telegram. So hopefully by the end of this week, you guys can start utilizing or at least testing out the golden key. Shout out to the golden key. Shout out to the ones that have been patient and successfully utilizing the golden key, the tool, the session key tool, the Perfect Entry Trading System on TradingView, the dominator on MT for the EAs, and of course, our amazing Signals channel. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing week. If I don't have another video up by this week, I want to wish you guys an amazing holidays. Happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate it. Spend some time with your family, your loved ones. Give thanks for even being here to witness another year throughout all of the turmoil in this world. You're blessed to still be here, to have another opportunity to not only enhance your life, but also to try and help enhance others. I see you guys in the next video.